Do you need to quickly onboard your team to run GNSS simulations? Do you want to become a Skydel and simulation expert? Now you can learn how to use the Skydel engine for free with the Skydel certification courses. Simulation software in general is complex, but at Safran we believe and Skydel proves that GNSS simulation can be mastered by almost anyone. In the Skydel training courses, you'll be introduced to the concepts of how GNSS simulation works and why it's important. You'll learn how to run tests using Skydel and what settings you can control to create simulations. You'll set up vehicle simulations and analyze the motion of a receiver during a live test. You'll get into more complex scenarios such as advanced jamming and spoofing. You'll set up your GNSS simulator and the important hardware configuration. Upon completing each course, you'll receive a shareable certificate that you can post on your resume and your LinkedIn profile. With the Skydel certification courses, you'll get engaging learning experiences with interactive content like quizzes, videos, and instructions on how to run the software on your own. In the end, you'll bring it together and test your skills with a final exam. This training is perfect for companies that want to speed up their onboarding process for their GNSS simulation employees. The courses are ideal for RF engineers, developers, test engineers, and other professionals looking to broaden their GNSS simulation domain knowledge. It's also a great starting point for students pursuing degrees in aerospace, test engineering, robotics, and GNSS simulation. If you've ever wanted to dive into GNSS simulation, now is the time. Ready to start learning? Sign up for free today.